Hello everyone, this is Er.Ramit dhiman from Er.Ramit Engineering Works. Today we have the wooden door handle that is all customizable. The wood used here is sheesham, and the support for connecting it is gypsum screws and drywall screws, and the back of it it's repeated with the steel bar of half inches. So these handles are away from 1.3 inches from the base of the door, which is excellent for handling and for opening or closing the door. So here the beautiful view from my viewpoint of my mobile's camera. So whenever these handles are connected, it is purely be connected with the base of the door frame. This is another one beautiful handle that is customizable all, and these are wood turned by engineer Er.Ramit dhiman. So whenever we connect it, it is done by the full gauge of the bare wood. So we first do the throughout hole and the wood of 1.5 inches of wood, and the screw used here is 3 inches approx, and you can use it for always 4 inches or 3.5 inches of the gypsum drywall screws. And the handles are polished with the narrow lac, clear coat or touch wood. So the overall height of this length of this handle is from 14 inches to 20 inches as seen in this. And here's the another model of wooden door handle. So in this, the circumference of this handle is about 1.5 inches, and the overall length is from 14 inches to 20 inches available with the height of the door. So it is connected in between the overall center of the wood of this door. So this is purely excellent product from engineer Er.Ramit dhiman, and if you interested in this type of products, contact my numbers anytime. And it's a very high durability and strength as well as high performance. You can compare with the another showpiece handles that is made up of white metal or anything else. So it's purely made up of good quality wood, and these are available in all type of sizes and designs. Here are some of my designs. I think this is the probable demonstration from these handles. Thank you.